Hey, welcome back to the Chewy Kitchen. My name is Taylor Chewy, your friend with the fun and sweet dessert recipes. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make maple bacon donuts, but we're going to use a little secret ingredient to make it better, turning this regular old boxed cake mix into the fluffiest, most delicious donuts you'll ever make. Let's get started. So this recipe has pretty simple steps, but the key step in there is whipping those egg whites and folding them into your batter. That's what's going to keep those really tall and fluffy donuts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have other crafting and baking videos, so if you like what you saw, be sure to check those out. I'm Taylor Chew. Thanks for hanging out.